Are you tired of spam emails in your WordPress inbox? In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up the Animated CAPTCHA for Contact Form 7. It's a clean, modern, and fun way to protect your forms without annoying your users with boring old CAPTCHAs. First, let's install the plugin. I'm using the free Animated CAPTCHA for Contact Form 7 plugin. You'll find the download link in the video description below. Download, install, and activate the plugin on your website. Before you begin, make sure Contact Form 7 is already installed and activated since this add-on works with Contact Form 7 forms. Now let's add it to a form. Head over to your Contact menu and open the form you want to protect. You'll notice a new button in the toolbar called Animated CAPTCHA. Click that, and a window pops up with all your options. Here you can customize everything. You can give the field a name, change the placeholder text, and even set a custom error message for when someone gets it wrong. One of my favorite features is the word length. You can make the CAPTCHA as short as 3 letters or as long as 10. You can also adjust the width to match your form. Once you're happy with the settings, click Insert Tag. It'll add a short code like this to your form editor. Save your form, and let's go see what it looks like on the front end. Check this out. It's a smooth, animated canvas CAPTCHA. It's not just a boring static image, it actually moves. This makes it much harder for automated bots to read, but it's still super easy for humans. And if the code is too hard to read, your users can just click it to refresh and get a new one instantly using AJAX. No page reloads required. If I enter the wrong code and hit submit, I get the error message we set up earlier. If I enter the correct code, the form goes through perfectly. Simple, effective, and it looks professional. And that's it for today's tutorial. As you can see, Animated CAPTCHA for Contact Form 7 is a simple and effective way to protect your forms from spam while maintaining a clean and modern user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, tips, and plugin reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.